Hey, how's it going everyone? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to be talking about how to maintain muscle eating a high fruit diet. So if you're new to my channel, I've been eating plant-based for about 11 years, and the last several years I've been higher on eating fruit. I enjoy fitness, working out, calisthenics, and intermittent fasting. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some quick clips of my workout, how to do a simple workout. You don't need any weights. It's just very basic, but very effective. How to maintain good muscle and strength, eating high fruit. And I'm going to show you what I'll be eating today as well. So make sure you stick around on this video because I have some delicious food that I'm eating today. Okay, so I did a little warm-ups and stretched out a little bit. I'm going to be doing a very simple workout. The only equipment that you will need for this workout is a pull-up bar if you like to do pull-ups, and I have some dip bars for dips, so you can find this at your gym or you can just get it for your house. Now, if you're new to pull-ups or you can't do pull-ups, I recommend everyone being able to do pull-ups. So check out this video here, click up there later to learn the best way to get good at doing pull-ups. And I'm going to get started right here. I'm just going to be doing one set of each move. This is great just to maintain strength, maintain muscle. I'm going to be starting off with one set of pull-ups, and then we'll move on to the next move. Here we go. Okay, set number 2, took a couple minutes break, and we got a set of push-ups. So I'm just gonna do basic push-ups. You can always start with your knees if you're just getting started. Okay, I had a couple minutes break, and we're doing the third set, which is gonna be squats. Now I'm not gonna use any weights. You have some optionals on this. You can do jump squats where you jump up and down as fast as possible. I'm going to be doing slow squats here. The other option is you can hold onto a weight and you can just do regular squats. But I'm doing slow squats, so I'm going to go down, take several seconds to go down. I'm going to hold it down here, 5 to 10 seconds. And then I'm going to take several seconds to go back up. So if you don't have any weights and you want to do squats and you also don't want to jump, this is an option. Do a bunch of these, nice and slow. Stay low for like 10 seconds, and then go back up nice and slow. Just keep doing these. You'll burn out eventually. Okay, we're on the fourth move out of 5. So this move and one more and that's it. This is gonna be chin-ups. It's gonna be like the pull-ups, except your palms are facing you instead of facing outward. If they're facing outward, that's a pull-up. If they're facing towards you, it's a chin-up. Gets the biceps involved a little more. So we're gonna do a set of those chin-ups. Here we go. Fifth and final move, it's gonna be a set of dips. Now, if you don't have dip bars, that's okay. You can just do another set of push-ups. I just happen to have these, so I'm gonna throw them in there. You do this routine, let's say 3 days a week. So you can do this Monday, Wednesday, Friday, for example. 3 days a week is all you need. Tuesday and Thursday, let's say Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, you go do some cardio. So you can go on a run, swim laps, go on a bike ride, or whatever. 3 days a week of cardio, 3 days a week of this routine. You're gonna be in great shape. Here we go, last set, and stick around. I'll show you what I'm eating today. I got some delicious food. And real quick, before I show you what I ate today, I wanted to let you know that I have a plant-based recipe ebook. It's in the description box below the video. These are my favorite recipes I eat on a regular basis to stay fit and healthy all year long. So if you want to help support me, go ahead and check that out.
I ended up breaking my fast today at 1 p.m. So I do practice intermittent fasting. I drank water throughout the morning. I did my workout at 11 a.m. fasted, and I had a big tub of watermelon at 1 p.m. Super delicious way to break the fast, and I ended up having actually 2 tubs of this. So the watermelon's really good. It's my favorite food. I recommend that, especially in the summer, and that's how I started out the day. Next up at 2:30, I had a bowl of cherries, and the cherries have also been really good as well. Then at 4:30, I made a banana chocolate smoothie. It's a little hard to see in here, but this was 6 frozen bananas, 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of raw almond butter, and a little bit of almond milk. So that's a super delicious smoothie that I make, and I like the combination of that bananas and almond butter and cacao powder, so try that out. For my last meal of the day, it was dinner. At 6:30 p.m., I had a tub of pineapple, and then just after that, I had 2 bowls of this vegetable tofu curry dish over rice, super delicious, and that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day. Subscribe for more videos, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.